remove Ladies and gentlemen, my video tutorial will help you to remove the ransomware called BAVACAI. Before the ransomware attack, you're able to open the files easily without any troubles or complications. You can open Microsoft Office documents, pictures, music, and all other data. Well, regretfully, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this ransomware may be very easily injected into this system. So it actually encrypts files and damages the files. Very soon people discover that they can no longer access their data. The files are no longer openable and people cannot open them. So finally, the ransomware tells the victims that they need to actually pay a special ransom, supposedly for file restoration. Definitely paying the ransom is not a good idea. You should not waste your money and you should not pay the ransom, because paying the ransom is certainly not a good idea. If you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your funds. So if you have discovered this particular BAVACAI ransomware on your system, make sure you immediately undertake the measures and remove it from the system. I recommend you to use the special software called Combo Cleaner. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. Load this page, download the software, install it, and then start thoroughly researching the system to detect and eliminate all other threats which might still possibly stealthily remain on the system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect this BAVACAI ransomware, to get rid of it effectively, to remove it, and to protect your data, all your files, from being damaged in the future. So use Combo Cleaner to clean your system from this horrible BAVACAI ransomware. After you start Combo Cleaner, the application will most likely first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of all possible threats that could be on your computer. Pay attention to the fact that Combo Cleaner is available for all popular operating systems: Mac, Windows, Android, and iOS. So after you click on the Start Scan button, the antivirus database will be updated first of all, and then the scanning will begin. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how many hard drives are available. It may depend on the system parameters of your computer. Finally, at the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the infections which were found on your system. Based on the summary of threats, you'll be able to know the information about the locations of threats. Some threats can be removed manually, but definitely I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license. With premium license, for instance, there is an excellent anti-ransomware feature which helps to always keep your data protected. You can add certain folders on your system, and the contents of these folders will be always under the protection against ransomware attacks. And Combo Cleaner works extremely and exceptionally well when it comes to identifying contemporary threats like adware, ransomware, all sorts of annoying pop-ups. Combo Cleaner fixes browser redirection issues. And definitely, what is exceptionally valuable, Combo Cleaner is able to protect your data, all your cherished and valuable information that you store on your hard drive. So use Combo Cleaner for cleaning your system and for protecting your system against all types of malware.